Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Windows key is not working on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So first of all, the fix is just go to your start menu and go to the settings option. After that, just go to the accessibility option in the left corner. Then find here keyboard option. Click on this keyboard and make sure your filter keys is turned off here. So just like this, if it's turned on, turned off. So after that, you need to check if your Windows key is working or not. So if this method doesn't work for you, there's another solution. Just go to taskbar, right click on it, click on Task Manager, and here you need to find this Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and you will find a restart tasks option. So you just need to restart the tasks of your Windows Explorer. So after restarting the tasks of Windows Explorer, check if your Windows key is working or not. So if this method also not working, look for a button in your laptop. If you have a button like this, like me, which is function F12 with a Windows icon and lock icon. So this is the button. If I press the function and Windows button at the same time, my Windows key is locked. So if you have a button like this with the Windows and the function key, just press that at the same time. If you have Windows with function 11 or function 12, just press that at the same time. It will also unlock your Windows key and your Windows key will be working. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.